There's the Lake Wanaka from where I'm staying, guys, and hope you enjoy. I've been working since I've been away. I've been working on this wood project, which is basically just bottle openers. So I got this wood from a friend, and mate of mine chopped them into biscuits, as you say, and I've been polishing them and oiling them and waxing them, and looking really, really good. So they're awesome. Still got to put a hole in the top and a hole in the bottom to fasten to the walls, but yeah, so it's been awesome. Cheers, guys.